struggling to convert text to speech in CapCut? Don't worry, I have got you covered. First, import your video. Once you have imported, drag it to the timeline like this. Now click on text and click on add text. Now drag it to the timeline like this. Once you drag it, type in your text. Once you have typed it, adjust its size like this and position it wherever you want by dragging it like this. Now, in order to convert it to speech, click on the text and look for text to speech right here. You will find it at the top right corner. Click on it. Now, CapCut will give you a variety of voices to choose from, including different accents and languages. You can preview the voice just by clicking on it like this.
You are using the text-to-speech feature. Choose a voice you like.
Now pick the one that fits your video best and click on generate speech. Now once you select the voice, you can adjust the speed of the speech from fast to slow. Click on speed. From here you can adjust its speed. If you want it fast, drag it like this. If you want it slow, drag it to below like this. Now hit play to preview how the text-to-speech sounds.
The painting speaks itself.
And that's it. You have just learned how to add text to speech in CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more editing tips. Thank you for watching.